Geese are getting blown all over. They're trying to head south, but they're going north, east, west. I think they possibly could have been hit by a microburst because the whole flock went down about 50 feet instantly, pretty much. Where are they now? They're over in that partridge run because I can do that in pretty much about an hour. And I want to have time to go home and carve pumpkins. So, yeah, actually a lot less than an hour is partridge run, but run there, back, backpack. A lot less than an hour, but still. I want to have time to do the robin down there. A couple of them. Weren't really very many robins this year. Chickadees. Also here as well as the robins. Chickadee. I'm not sure if that was a response or if it was a just coincidence because chickadees are really noisy. I have a big stream. It's supposed to go through that pipe, but it's not. It's heading this way. Then down that way. The stream used to go there, but the pipe, it doesn't work. This part of the trail gets washed away every time there's heavy rain. I think it was yesterday. Especially that was flooding the trail earlier. Probably not too bad, but still flooding it. Well, that is... Well, I knew the beaver dam wouldn't hold forever. Pretty cool design for the beaver, though. It was a hastily built dam, so it didn't really last that long. A little bit of a flood here. All faster than water, not really a flood. Still a little bit of a flood up here by the looks of it. I think it's caused by the overflow of the marsh here. Actually a pretty big flood. It might get slightly worse because next night, tomorrow, and the next day is supposed to rain. This part would be a part to flood as well. Apparently not. Like, the culvert isn't jammed and there's not really much going through it. I'm gonna dare myself to stick my foot in right down here. Not too bad actually. The water's actually relatively warm for what I was expecting. So yeah, to give you a better idea of how much water is going through there right now. That water is normally only about a foot wide and a couple inches deep. That tree there, last time I checked, had roots. Not anymore. I'm gonna cross it. Just look at this. Massive amounts of water. Tonight's not really gonna help. Looks like there's been a tree down. I moved some of it out of the way enough so people can get through. So back on this trail, almost out the pipe that doesn't work. I know I am running on my own bare feet.